Hello everyone. Let's write our first basic program in Python. But the question is, where should we write and run our program? Well, there are many options. Like you can download Python 3.8 from the Python website. Or you can install Anaconda and use Jupyter Notebooks or Spider. Or you can also install PyCharm. You can even use this online Python compiler. Listen, we will learn how to use all of them as we move in the course. But to get started, the best option will be to use an online compiler. After learning very basic concepts of Python, we will see how to use Anaconda and then PyCharm. So, this is the URL of our compiler. I will open this. Our first program is just to say hello. Let's write the code. Here, we will write print and in brackets, we will write hello in double quotes. Print statement in Python is used to get the output. Please remember, Python is case sensitive. Hence, print should be in the small letters. Here, this is our run button. Let's run the code. Click on the button. Here, you got the output hello. So, what is this print statement and how does it work? The print statement is the output statement in the Python. Whatever you put inside print, it is shown in the output section. And also remember, by default, each print statement shows the output in a new line. Let's see one more example. Suppose we want the output like this, C, then in next line C++, and then in next line C hash. For this, we will write 3 print statement like this, one by one. Let's run the code. Well, we got the expected output. Since we have used 3 print statement, we got the output in 3 lines. If we write this in single print like this, we will get this output. Here, we can add \n after every word like this. Let's run the program by using this run button. That's the correct output. Here, /n is the escape sequence character which gives a new line. Now suppose we want output like this. Here we have tabs. To get this output, we will have to add \t. /t is one more escape sequence character which gives a space of 1 tab. If you look at the expected output, in the second line we need 1 tab and in the third line we need 2 tabs. To handle this, we will add tabs before the text like this. 1/t before the second line and 2/t before the third line. Let's run the code. Well, we got the perfect output. To summarize, print is the output statement. Print can be used to print formatted and unformatted outputs. In this episode, we have just studied the unformatted output. In the upcoming sessions, we will see how to get the formatted output. Well, this was a simple Python session and we have just tried very simple Python programs. I hope you will have more fun in the upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching it.